That means if there is ability, there is nothing to limit it. And if there is knowledge, nothing to limit it. So the ability to let something be, nothing can stop that ability because it's an unlimited presence. So to be aware of itself, the only thing possible is to be aware of something that is nothing. Because if it is something, it means it has become two. So it has to be a dream. A dream means it's aware of something, but that thing is not something in reality, because if it is real, then it means apart from him there is something.
Okay.
Which is also not. So the only possibility, because of unlimited intelligence, unlimited wisdom, is to have something that in truth is not other than himself. So the only thing that can be, yet it is not something else, is just a dream. So it enters into that dream state. It projects, in other words.
Okay.
It projects. But it is not a projection outside, because there is no outside. It's 100% expanded presence. It cannot be limited in any way. So there can be a limit at this point and then something else. So it's only happening inside its field, within itself. And it happens, and then it has to be proved that there isn't a second. So it is flimsy. It is happening, but it's ending at the same time.
How is that possible?
Yes, we're just speaking, but by the time my words end, it is gone.
Yes.
You know, people talk of news. After reading it,